shoot up in the air.
Yeah, huge impact. Welcome back to another video. Today we're just gonna watch fireworks and don't pay attention to that. Just
Don't say anything smart either. Just watch.
okay. They're not shooting them yet. I heard one. Yep.
You gotta go watch Netflix. It's on board now.
Yeah. I mean, I'm going. Oh, I see him. I see him. You see him? Huge impact. They red. They red. They over there somewhere. Can't really see him. Wait till you see the ones that are over there and they in the air. Watch. Watch. Just watch. Just don't talk to them. Huge impact. Huge impact. Don't pay attention to them. They're like our annoying neighbors. Oh
Yo, I'm like,
my.
That's your fireworks, right? Okay, so why is it in our yard?
we're not in your yard, so what is that?
I'm not talking to you. Shut up.
I don't need to. Yo, I'm about to be.
Yeah, they lied it, I think.
I'm about to be gone.
Let's go, let's go!
That's a fire.
Yeah.
Those are baby ones, but like they go high.
Yeah.
Yo, he about to light it.
What's that one he lighting right now?
Oh, it's the wiggly ones. It's the wiggly
You
ones.
wanna go out?
You about to go.
Come on, Tay. Come on, Tay.
Come in the air.
That's the same ones we had.
Yeah, but they were.
My throat hurts.
We had those same kind. That just blew.
That joke was booming. Get out the street.
I know. I'm getting over
I know,
here.
but like you moving too slow. Like I'm not trying to let you get hit by a firework or nothing. Or a car. Yeah, that joke was crazy. Blow! Blow! Oh!
Boom, 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 bang, bang.
Where you
bang.
going, Tay?
I'm trying to get back.
Those can't reach us. Come back in the driveway. They're talking about come over here. It's not that serious. Back up. Come over here. Right here. Watch. Okay.
Huge impact. Woo! These is good fireworks. Oh! Oh, it's the big ones. It's the big ones. They shooting
Stay
the
there,
big
stay
ones.
there. Wait for this car to pass.
They're shooting the little
Come
ones.
over here. Come over here. You can see it better.
They can't reach us from here, right? The big.
Oh, look.
They can't reach
Sun.
us. Woohoo!
You can see it from over here. You can see it way better.
Yeah. The camera. Woo! These are the big ones. The ones we had. If we record the one, what was it? The ones we had. Oh, look at that. There's some over there too.
It's kind of cold out here. I hope they don't do the most like, oh, and try to shoot us or play around too much. Because then I'm going straight in the house. And you coming too. Because we is not going to get hurt today.
No.
Just because they want to play too much.
Oh, shoot.
What happened? What happened? Why you say that?
Okay, huge impact. I'm gonna stop the recording right now.